Hey people, welcome back to a new video. As I promised, if you remember, I promised to create another video on the same topic, how to make money selling premium WordPress themes without any knowledge of coding. So, if you remember in my first video, I recommend to watch it if you didn't, where I said that in my opinion, this framework is very good choice to start selling WordPress themes. So in the first video, I already told you that you need to buy this framework with extended license because it allows you to sell as many as you want. So you don't need to ask for more. Okay, the first thing you do when you buy this framework, you will receive the zip file. After you download the zip file, you need to extract it and you will receive these files. So as you can see, there are license, documentation, starting template and starting theme. In your case, the most important folder is this starting theme, which will I back later. Now let's go on. So if you don't have a web hosting, that's no problem because you can start designing the WordPress themes on your computer. So you don't need to have web hosting. So go on Google and search for this XAMPP. XAMPP, it will allow you to install WordPress on your computer. So just download the proper version for your operating system. Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So depending on your operating system, you need to install proper version. It's easy, just click next and it will install the XAMPP. After that, you need to go again on Google, just type WordPress and here will offer you get WordPress download. Just one thing, XAMPP is completely free. You don't need to worry about that. Also, normally WordPress is also free and just download the latest version of WordPress. After that, I suggest you to type in Google XAMPP how to install WordPress and you will see that it's also easy to do it in just several steps, easy steps. And when you're done with that, you need to do something else. Let's back to the starting theme folder. Open and this WPTF. You just need to copy this folder, copy, and go to XAMPP folder. And in the folder where the WordPress is installed, just go to WP content themes and copy here as I already done that. And that's fine for now. When you do that, just in your browser type this localhost / the name of the folder where the WordPress is located, and this will open the WordPress homepage. After that, you need to click here on your name and click dashboard, and it will open the dashboard. Okay, so we are on the dashboard of or in admin panel of WordPress. Then click appearance and themes. After you need, and here you need to activate the WPTF theme. Just find it and click activate. After you do that, you're fine with that. So before I show you how you can start designing premium WordPress themes, I just want to show you that this framework, as I said earlier, is full of different functions. So just click here, theme options. And as you can see, it has a lot of different options from main settings, layout, menu, footer. It supports WooCommerce, page titles. So it has many different options, including disable Gutenberg, smooth scroll, font family, logos, favicons. But this is not all. It has many other options I will show you later. So let's begin. How you can design the theme. You need also one program called Notepad++. So just Google Notepad++ and click here, downloads. It is also a free program, and download the latest version and install it. After you do that, we need to open the WordPress theme, and the only file which you need to edit is this one, skin. Just right click and choose edit with Notepad++. So you can see we have many different information, many lines of code which you need to edit, and in that way you will design the WordPress theme. So let's back. Go to page called themeforest.net. When you open the page, click WordPress and choose what kind of WordPress theme would you like to design. For example, blog magazine. And here we need to click newest. In that way, we can see what are the themes which are recently approved by Themeforest review team. So in that way, you can see what themes are recently approved and what kind of design at this moment is approved by their review team, and find one WordPress theme which you like or you believe that can be good selling, and design something similar, not the same, just similar design for approval. So let's back here. This I was just something testing, so don't worry about it. And for example, you can edit and design every element of the theme. For example, let's change font size of this date. So to change any element, right click on element and inspect element. After that, you can see that in skin file on line 1260 is this. And we have here font size, which tell us what size of the font will be. For example, if we want to be bigger or smaller, we can do that. For example, we want a bigger date. For example, it is 46. So just change 22 to 46. And here click Save. Refresh the page. Sometimes you need to do hard refresh. Just a moment. Okay, and here is, as you can see, so sometimes it's just enough to click refresh, but if the change is not working, just do hard refresh of your web browser. And as you can see, now we changed the font size to 46 pixels. And that's it. So you can see you don't need to have any knowledge of coding, at least something beginner, and you can change any style of the WordPress theme. You don't need to touch any JavaScript or PHP, just style. So you can style any element from fonts, backgrounds, borders, animations, colors, font styles, and many other styles in WordPress. And when my suggestion is when you're done, just test everything that is according the rules, that everything is working, and you are good to go to Themeforest page again, themeforest.net, and click here, start selling. Now you can register for free, and there you will need upload your theme for approval. And after your theme is approved, you will start making big bucks. So if you have any questions, please ask in comments, and I hope that you will be approved by Themeforest. Also, please, if you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.